Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rain. We are going to make this adorable surprise gift box together. At first glance, it is a cute hot air balloon box. I love the oversized balloon. It makes the whole design very grand. Pull the balloon up, voila! There is a cake in the box. Look how the side panels expand. I love these little balloons here. Look how cute they are. It has transformed into a beautiful cake stand. This will be a wonderful gift in many occasions. Let's get started. The download link is in the description below. Choose the file you would like to use. Please remember this is for personal use only. Upload the files to your device or computer. Here I am using Cricut Design Space. Change scroll lines for these elements. Remember to attach the scroll lines to layer elements. Next, duplicate these elements. You could change to any colors you prefer. Make it colorful and just have fun. Send it to card when you are ready. If you're having fun, please like, subscribe, or drop a comment to say hi. Assemble the small balloons together. Find these pieces to make the hot air balloons on the top. There are screw lines on this piece. They are position marks, not for folding. Make this piece into a box. Align the bottom together and glue. Find these two pieces with zigzag on both sides. Fold and glue into an octagon box. They are the bottom parts of the cakes. These two pieces with wavy sides are for the cake tops. Get this piece for the cake base. Make sure the top tier is in the middle. Don't glue the hot air balloon on yet. Move on to the box. This piece is for the inside of the box. I like to have the balloons point outward. The last piece, yay! Fold it like this. Put it through the cut on the box. It should look like this. Glue the outside piece into a box. When glue the cake, make sure not to cover any side panels. Final touch. Leave it till the glue is completely dry. We have made this fun project. Yay! I really love how it turns out. Hope you like it too. Thank you for watching.